Quit adding if-else statements for every new feature. You're killing your code. Every time you add another if condition, you're making your code harder to maintain, harder to test, and impossible to scale. What starts as a simple check quickly turns into an unreadable, unmanageable mess. But there's a better way, the strategy pattern. Once you see how it works, you'll never go back to bloated conditionals ever again. Give me 5 minutes, you'll walk away with all the knowledge, and then some. Imagine you're building a payment system. At first, it's simple. Just process credit card payments. But then your boss asks for PayPal integration. Fine. Add an if condition. Next, they want Google Pay, then Apple Pay, then Bitcoin. Suddenly, your process payment method looks like this. This is disaster level code. Every new payment method means diving into this method, adding another condition, and risking breaking something. We need a smarter way, one where adding new behaviors doesn't require touching existing code. The strategy pattern lets us define behaviors separately and make them interchangeable at runtime. Instead of cramming all logic into one class, we create separate strategy classes, each handling one payment method. How does it work? The strategy interface. It defines the behavior every strategy has to implement. Concrete strategies. Separate classes that implement different behaviors. Context class. It uses a strategy but doesn't care which one. It's fully decoupled. Step 1. Define the strategy interface. This makes sure that all the payment methods follow the same structure. Step 2. Create concrete strategy implementations. Each payment method is now its own class, making them just plug and play. Step 3. Create the context class. This class doesn't care how the payment happens. It just delegates to the strategy. At this point, we've fully decoupled payment logic, but let's take this to the next level. Right now, we manually set the payment strategy in payment context. But what if we could dynamically select the right strategy at runtime without hard coding anything? Step 1. Modify payment strategy to expose a key. Each strategy could return a unique identifier, so we add a getKey method. Step 2. You update concrete strategies to implement getKey. Step 3. Create a strategy registry. This class will automatically find all payment strategy implementations, store them in a dictionary, and allow retrieval by key. Step 4. Use the registry to dynamically fetch strategies now. Instead of manually setting the payment strategy, we just fetch it by key. Why is this a game changer? There's no more manual mapping. New strategies are automatically registered, fully extendable. Just implement payment strategy and it works. Dynamic selection. Fetch strategies at runtime using just a key. Now adding a new payment method is zero effort. You just create a new class, implement payment strategy, and it gets discovered automatically. This is how you write maintainable, scalable, and flexible code by never hard coding behavior ever again. Want to get a copy of the code? Check out the description. It's free.